If you've ever wanted to see someone's deleted message, this is the only method that actually works. Hi and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can check deleted messages. For example, I will delete one message from my messenger just like you see here. Now to recover them, simply go to your setting. After that, scroll down a little bit and go on notifications. After that, go on advanced setting, and after that, go on notification history. As you can see, here you can find all the notifications that were sent, even if the messages were deleted inside the app. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can also check out the other two videos on your screen. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.